Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by preparing the essentials. Wipe the lens and switch to the front camera with HDR on so highlights balance. Next, hold your palm relaxed at about a 45 degrees angle to the lens. This gives the palm shape without fully blocking the camera. Once done, bring your palm into the frame slowly while keeping your face visible and make one clear expression to anchor the shot. This first pose sets the composition and helps the camera lock focus quickly. Now you refine the capture. Tap to focus on your eyes and lock exposure so the palm doesn't overexpose the frame. Once focus is stable, use a short shutter delay of 0.5 to 1 second or activate gesture control so your hand movement won't blur the image. While waiting, tilt the phone slightly, about 10 to 20 degrees, to add depth, and place the palm approximately 1/3 from the edge so your face remains the visual anchor. This balances foreground and background. Finish by reviewing the photo at full size and cropping to improve composition if needed, because small frame shifts make a big difference. Then apply subtle exposure and warmth adjustments. Minor tweaks often outperform heavy filters. If something looks off, retake with a slightly changed angle instead of forcing it. Move your hand 2 to 3 centimeters or rotate it about 15 degrees and try again. If the palm still blocks the lens, back the hand off a little and rely on cropping to create.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.